Hi, I hope everybody's doing well. Today the activity that I'm gonna help make is Kool-Aid Play-Dough. This is the final product and I will be showing you step by step how to make it, and you are welcome to make it with your child. It will spark language, conversations. You will be measuring, so you'll be doing math with your child. I hope you enjoy. All the ingredients will be shown at the end and also the measurements for the recipe. And let's get started. Okay, so the first ingredient we will need is 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of salt, 1 packet of Kool-Aid, and the packet that I have here is grape flavor. And you're gonna mix all the dry ingredients first to make sure that they're all distributed properly and evenly. Next, you will add boiling water. So this step you should do without the child's help. Once the water cools down, then they can help you mix, but while it's hot, just you do it. And the next and final step is 1 tablespoon of oil. And then you're just gonna mix. You're gonna mix all the ingredients together. And you will help the child mix if they can't do it on their own, or you can just let them do it. Once it cools off, like I said, the water will cool off. You can use your hands, but just mix as much as you can right now and ask the child what they smell, what they can see, what colors it's making. You can mix different colors, packets of Play-Doh, and make different colors. And then you're gonna knead it. And you knead it, and you knead it until it comes out to the consistency of Play-Doh. A good indication that your Play-Doh is ready and well mixed in together is that it doesn't stick to your hands. You could start making balls out of it. This was just Play-Doh and residue from me mixing it. But that should be it. So this is the Play-Doh. I hope you enjoy with your child, and remember to have patience, talk to them, ask them questions, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. And in order to preserve your Play-Doh and make it last longer, the kids can use it, and after you're done with it, put it away in an airtight Ziploc bag or in a container, so to keep it from drying out.